If you're looking for the perfect hairstyle to be able to retain length and grow your natural hair and reach your hair goals, this is the best protective hairstyle. So let's install our next 3 months protective hairstyle doing medium braids. So we've already done our hair prep. So I've washed my hair, taken down my hair, detangled. I've done all of that. You can check that out in the previous video, but just to give you a summary, I basically took down my previous 3 months medium braids, detangled and put it back in that section because I'm going to be redoing my hair in this section. Then I went ahead to wash my hair, deep condition, do my treatment, do my LOC method to lock in moisture, and I did my hair in 4 sections to stretch it out. Usually I would blow dry my hair, but I'm trying to cut off heat this year, so we're not doing any blow drying anymore. And I told you guys you see the result of what I did in the last video now, and this is it. I would say that I highly recommend this if you do not want to add heat to your hair. This is like a heatless method to stretch out your hair. The reason why I love to stretch my hair out when I'm installing a protective hairstyle is, first off, your hair doesn't get single strand knots, it doesn't tangle back up, and it's just simply easy to do your hair when it's stretched. And also, when your hair is stretched, you get the full length of your hair in that protective hairstyle, because I love the stretched look when I'm installing a protective hairstyle, because I noticed that my ends are smoother and my fresh install looks so much neater. So if you want to do this, I highly recommend this. It's just simply like doing a braid out, but also to note that make sure your hair is properly dry before you take it down, so that your hair doesn't revert back when you're making it or get tangled up again. So just simply do a braid out, and it's so easy. I kept this in for 2 days before I finally took it out to do this protective hairstyle. So I'm just going to quickly finish taking out the braid and we can go over to the next step. So I'm going to simply speed up the remaining process, but just to mention that while I'm doing my rebraid, I braid inwards, and that is how my hair lays flat. I always recommend you braid inward. And also, if you don't know how to do your parts, you just have to practice. I usually don't have a mirror at my back because I'm used to doing my hair without looking at the back of my head. But if you don't know how to do that, I recommend you get a three-way mirror. I see that a lot in creators videos, like people that make their hair. I see that a lot in their videos. You can check on Amazon, Jumia, they should have it, or you can just research on TikTok. You will definitely find some links on it. But I'll try and get a link, and if you want that, let me know. I'll try and find a link for you guys. But yeah, that is going to be all. I'm just going to do my rebraid. It was pretty easy, especially when you're doing a rebraid. And also, I saw a lot of length retention with this particular hairstyle. Like, guys, if you're looking for a hairstyle to grow your hair, try medium braids. It's less time consuming, it doesn't get matted or tangle. You can easily take it down, detangle, and also put that back in. It's a very good versatile hairstyle and I love it so much. So I'm just going to finish up with my braids, and yeah, also I want to know how your 3 months hair growth challenge is going, any growth update, because this year I'm particular about just doing medium braids. Like, I really want to see how just doing only one hairstyle can impact your hair. That's an experiment I'm doing. So I've done that with mini twists. So I want to try that with medium braids and see. But anyway, guys, I would like to know how your challenge is going, how everything is going. I'll try and be doing my weekly updates because I've been slacking a lot on that, and I'm really sorry, guys. But I should have my hair growth update video soon. and maybe like a 3 month update on everything I've been doing, because I'm trying new things. Like I'm really open to trying new things, but still sticking to my routine, like not moving, because I can see that it's working for me better now. So yeah, that's going to be all. You're just going to watch through the video to help you. And if you have any questions, just leave that in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that. And I'll catch you guys in my next one.